without further ado, I would like to invite Muallim Hisham to give a brief. Okay, welcome. Please welcome.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, I'm Muhammad Hisham.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, Alhamdulillah, you have done with school's rule what part 1 with Muhammad Rashid. So inshallah we will proceed with school's rules part 2. Okay, so I'm going to brief a little bit about school's rules part 2. In our session, I'm going to share with you regarding to your school uniform, your name tag, your school badge, where you should place it. Other than that, your sock and also your shoes. Okay, so can I have my slide? Okay, wait a second. Okay, first of all, I need your cooperation to mute your mic. First, all of you, please mute your mic. Okay, good.
Okay.
Mute lah. Mute. Mute.
Sekejap
Okay, done with it?
Itu tutup kamera.
It will be present.
Okay, done. If you have done, show me thumbs up. Those who have mute your mic, show me thumbs up. Show me thumbs up. Those who have done, mute your mic. Okay, give a big clap to yourself. Thank you so much. Okay, so Mu'allim Faiz. Next slide. Okay, we are going to wait for our slide. Okay, wait a second. Okay, I just want to remind you, please remain mute your mic while our session is going. Okay, so we are going to proceed with student, which is boys, regarding to hair. So all student, especially boys, please lend me your ears for a while. Okay, so in this session, I'm going to talk in both language, which is in Malay and also in English. Why Mu'allim combine both of the language? Because I want you to understand clearly what I'm saying about, okay? So, the first thing you need to remember is, boys, your hair must be neat and short. Rapi dan kemas. Okay, first, number 2, thin the side and also at the back hair. Meaning that your hair must be thin at the both side, which is at the left and at the right side, and at the same time at the back of your hair. Next, your hair is supposed to clean. Okay, other than that, you are not allowed to put any type of color at your hair. You cannot simply put white color, black color, orange color on the top of your hair. You cannot be like your cat. You cannot have the same pattern like your cat. Okay. So we are going to next slide. Okay, in this next slide, I want you to show me thumbs up if you agree with me. If you not agree, show me thumbs down. Okay, if you agree, show me thumbs up. Okay, if you not agree, show me thumbs down. Okay, very good. Okay, look at this boy. Okay, first, our school's rule need us to be neat and short and neat. Sorry. Okay, so is this boy past the first point? If you agree, show me thumbs up. Okay, thank you. Okay, point number 2. It must be thin at the both side, which is at the left and right side, and also at the same time at the back side. Okay, if you agree, show me thumbs up. Okay, thank you. So pass point number 2. Number 3, clean. Okay, pass. Number 4, no artificial coloring. So is this boy ready to school or not? If you say yes, please show me thumbs up. If you say no, show me thumbs down. Okay, thank you, Kisha. Thank you, all the students that respond to my slide. Okay, next. Okay. Okay, this is a famous haircut among our Al-Amin Tropicana students. So let's discuss together whether it is approved or not at our school. First, is it short and neat or not? Yes or no? Okay, short and neat, pass. Number 2, it is thin at the back side and at the both side or not? Yes, pass. Point number 2. Point number 3. What is point number 3? Clean. Yes, of course, clean. Number 4, no artificial coloring. Is any color have been applied at this picture or not? No. So this boy is ready to school or not? Obviously, yes, he is ready to come to our school because he already follow our school's rule. Okay, next slide. Okay, next slide is one of the famous haircut among Al-Amin Tropicana student, but he is not from Al-Amin Tropicana student. So we are going to discuss again. First, clean and neat. Is he have short and neat or not? Short and neat hair, yes. Number 2, thin at the both side and at the back side or not? Yes. Number 3, how about number 3? Clean. How about number 4? No artificial coloring applied at his head. So he is ready to come to our school because he can follow all what school needs. What if he have a long hair? Is he ready to come to our school? Meaning that he is not ready to come to our school. Thank you, Iman Alisa. Okay, next. Okay, this haircut also popular among our student, but he is not from our school, maybe from Nigeria, Australia, or whatsoever. Okay, this haircut is short and neat. Other than that, he also apply thin at the both side and at the back side. Other than that, his hair is clean. Last point is he didn't put any type of artificial color. Rambut dia memang berwarna brown macam tu. Okay. Okay, next slide. Okay, next slide. I think you know the answer. Is he ready to come to our school or not? Student, please show me thumbs up or thumbs down. Okay, Kisha, correct? How about Farisha? Show me thumbs up or thumbs down. Okay, yes, definitely he is ready to come to our school because he have both of the hair is thin It's thin at the both of the side and also thin at the back side also. Okay, next picture. Okay, next picture. Short and neat. Yes, it is short and neat. Other than that, it is thin at the both side, which is at the left and right side, also at the back side. Okay. Next, clean or not? Kisha, clean or not? Okay, clean. Last point. Is he apply any artificial color? No. So, is he ready to come to our school or not? Yes, he is ready to come to our school. Thank you for your response. Next picture. Okay, next picture. Point number 1, your hair must be short and neat if you are a student of Al-Amin Tropicana. So, is this boy apply what point number 1 needs? Show me thumbs up or thumbs down. No, he is not apply what our school needs. So, point number 1, he failed to fulfill it. Okay, point number 2, thin at the both side and at the back side. Is he follow the rules or not? Yes, he is follow the rule because he have thin at the both side, which is left and right, and also at the back of his hair. Okay, how about point number 3, clean? Not really clean, but acceptable. Point number 4, is he put any artificial color at his head, at his hair? No. So, is this boy ready to come to our school or not?
Yes.
No, he is not ready to come to our school because he's still not fulfilled point number 1, which is he don't have short and neat hair. Okay, next slide. Okay, next slide. Okay, I think you know the answer. Those who agree this boy ready to come to school, please show me thumbs up. Those who said no, please show me thumbs down. Thank you, Amni, Kisha, Farisha, Iman, Arisa. Thank you. This boy is not ready to come up to our school because he still not fulfill our school's need. Okay, please mute your mic. Okay, next picture. Okay, next picture. Okay, number 1, short and neat. Pendek dan rapi ke tidak? Yes, pendek dan rapi. Number 2, thin at the both side and at the back side of hair. Is it? No. Yes. Number 3, clean. I don't think so. Number 4, no artificial coloring. Is he apply any type of color?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Warna biru.
Yes. Meaning that
Ada warna biru.
okay, thank you.
Warna biru. Rambut warna biru lah.
Okay. And also you cannot bring any type of toys to our school. Okay. Next slide. Okay, picture is similar to the
toys like that Minecraft.
okay, please
Ada
mute
mainan
your mic.
Minecraft.
Okay,
Minecraft. Color green juga artificial.
okay, Iman Arisa, please mute your mic.
Creeper.
Okay,
I want
next picture. Isha Kalisha, mute your mic.
Okay.
Okay, just for a while, okay? Okay, next picture. Point number 1, short and neat. Is he apply what our school need? Afi, thumbs up or thumbs down? Afi. Short and neat. Yes, he have short and neat hair. Number 2, Iman Arisa. Is he have thin at the both side and at the back side or not?
I don't know because tak boleh nampak kat dalam image tu tapi saya
Yes,
rasa
thin at the both side. We can see from the picture. Okay, number 3. Is it clean or not? It's not really clean because there is some toys on the top of his hair. How about number 4? Number 4, is he apply any type of color on his hair?
Yes.
Yes. So, this boy ready to come to our school or not?
No.
Okay, so he's not ready to come to our school. Okay, please mute your mic. Okay, next picture.
Tapi macam mainan tu boleh ber-TV?
Okay, I will explain later when our school is going to be open. Okay. Okay, next picture. Okay, student, please mute your mic. Okay, next picture. Is this boy ready to come to our school or not?
No.
Because he's not
Kamu
feel what our school needs. He put some decoration at his head. Is it? So I don't want any of you to put any decoration at your head. The Flash, Batman, Spider-Man, Gajah, Rusa, or any type of Okay,
This is so weird.
this
How do
has,
you have
haircut is allowed at our school or not?
boleh?
No.
Tak.
Of course not allowed at our school.
No.
Oh, you see Mania Rashid later. Okay. Next slide.
Apa dengar?
Okay.
Oh
Can we,
my
previous video? Okay, all of you, please mute your mic. Okay, Arisa, mute your mic. Adi, mute your mic.
Ada jangan nak jerit.
Okay, dan mute your mic. If you have mute your mic, show me thumbs up. Aisyah Kalisha, please mute your mic first. Okay. Mu'alim Faiz. Okay, this type of haircut is not allowed at our school. Just like I said earlier, you cannot put any type of decoration at your head. Just like the previous picture showing us the Flash. Now, Mickey Mouse. I don't want to see Mickey Mouse, Donald Duck or whatsoever, okay?
Makin lama tadi teruk.
So, if you have this type of haircut, meaning that you allowed to, you are ready to come to school or not?
No.
No, you are not ready to come to our school because you are not Mickey Mouse. You're still a human. Okay, next slide.
Wow.
Kalau kamu manusia, kamu kena ada rambut yang betul-betul. Tak payah nak jadi Mickey Mouse. Okay, next slide. Okay, next slide. We are going to repeat from point number one. Point number one, your hair must be short and neat. Rambut kamu mestilah pendek dan rapi. Now, point number one, fail. Point number two, thin at the both side, which is left side, right side, and at the back of your hair. Fail. Number three, clean. It's not clean. Number four, is he put any artificial coloring? No. So, is he ready to come to our school?
No.
No. Because he still not fulfilled two of the points.
No.
He still not follow our school needs. Okay, next. Okay, glasses. Okay, you can wear glasses on the advice of a doctor and it must be kept in a clean and safe condition. Meaning that when you have any eyesight problem,
I got glasses.
you can wear it. But when you want to go for breakfast, when you want to go for lunch, please make sure you place your glasses on the correct place. Don't simply put it on the floor. Why? Because your friend can easily step on it. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes. So who going to cry when your friend step on it? Mu'alim or you?
You.
Kamu yang akan menangis. Okay, next. Okay. Okay, we are going to talk about school badge and also your name tag. Okay, this one is only for boys, okay? Your school badge must be put on the left chest pocket. Okay, boys, look at your shirt now. How many pocket you have?
1.
1. So meaning that your school badge must be put on the pocket. Kamu tak ada poket 2 ke 3 ke, 1 je poket dekat baju kamu. Okay, next. The name tag, this one is name tag yang ada nama Khairina and the other one is Akilah. Must be patched or placed over the badge. Maksudnya, you need to put over the school badge. Okay, don't be confused yet. I will show it to you later. The picture of it. Okay. Next. Okay, your school uniform. Okay, you are allowed to wear white singlet as the top undercloth. Okay, kamu boleh pakai baju singlet di bawah baju kamu jika kamu nak. Okay, next, student are required to wear the suitable article. Let's say, if your teacher asks you, Farisha, tomorrow can you please wear baju kurung because we have a competition? So, can you wear it or not?
Yes.
Yes, you can wear it with teacher permission. And when you have swimming, what is the best attire you must wear? Sport attire or uniform? Sport attire or what type of attire? Sport attire. Thank you.
Sport attire.
Kita kena pilih 2 tu.
Okay, next. Okay, now we move to. Okay.
Pants.
On to pants. Your pants must not be too tight. Okay, you cannot wear tight pants because you are not going to be comfortable when you want to move. Other than that, when you wear a tight pants, it will disturb your blood circulation. So untuk seluar, kamu tak boleh pakai seluar yang terlampau ketat sampai nampak bentuk-bentuk tubuh kamu. Nanti kamu nak bergerak pun bayar. So pilih, waktu nak beli nanti pilih seluar yang longgar. Okay, next. Okay. Move to socks. Okay, your sock must be plain. What's mean by the word plain? Plain meaning that only one color allowed. Okay. And what is the color?
Black or dark blue.
Okay, black or dark blue. And it must be rise beyond the ankle. Stokin kamu hendaklah berwarna hitam ataupun biru gelap. Dan hendaklah melebihi paras buku lali kamu. Maklim tak nak tengok ada stokin yang pendek sangat. Pakai stokin. Okay, how about stokin sock with some decoration, with some polka dot, with some Mickey Mouse, the Flash, Spider-Man. Is it allowed at our school?
No.
It's not allowed at our school. Okay. Move to shoes. Okay, your shoes must be made with PVC or black canvas. Other than that, it must not exceed 3 cm. Next. Okay, please mute your mic. Next, Maklim Faiz. Okay, this is exactly what I mean just now. Your hair must be short and neat, which is both of your side, left and right side, have a thin haircut. Okay. Next, this is your school uniform. This is your school uniform, Maklim Faiz. Yeah. Sorry. Okay, this is your school uniform. Before this, I have mentioned about your school badge. Your school badge must be here and your name tag must be put on the silver line here. Okay, boys, listen carefully. Mutris, listen.
Okay, all boys.
Okay, where you should place your name tag? On the silver line here. And your school badge must be put here. Other than that, your pants must be loose and your sock must be plain, which is black or dark blue. Okay, next.
May I go to toilet?
Okay, you may do so. Okay, now we move to girls. Okay, girls, please lend me your ears. Listen carefully. This is about your attire. Okay. Okay, your hair shall not exceed the hijab, means that your hair must be kept inside your hijab properly. Tak naklah bila kamu jalan tiba-tiba ada rambut kiri kanan, orang boleh nampak. Because it is a part of your aurat. So you must keep it properly inside your hijab. Next, your hairband shall not obviously shown and seen from outside. What is hairband? Is anybody know what is hairband?
Benda yang bulat-bulat tu ke yang ikat tu?
Sanggul tu tak boleh nampak obvious sangat.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, later I will show you some of the picture. Okay, no artificial coloring at your hair. Kamu tak payah color rambut kamu. Biar je warna hitam. Tak perlu nak letak warna putih, hitam, kuning, hijau. Tak perlu. Nanti orang panggil apa? Alien. Okay, next.
Alien
Ni mak alien sebab kalau hijau.
Okay, same with boys. You are allowed to wear glasses on the advice of a doctor. Like say you will have problem with your eyesight. You are allowed to wear a glasses. And as I mentioned earlier, you must keep it properly on a correct place. Which is, when you want to take wudu, please make sure you put it on higher place. Don't put it on the floor.
letak dalam bekas.
Step on it. Okay, next.
Bekas.
Okay, this is for girls only. Okay, there is slightly different for girls and boys where you should place your school badge and your name tag. Okay, this is your school badge.
I know.
The circle one. Okay, if you know, please mute your mic. Okay, this is your name tag. Okay, your name tag. Your school badge must be put on the left side of the hijab. So, check your hijab whether it's been put at what left or right. Left. Okay, thank you. Okay,
Tu dekat
name
tempat
tag
yang ada school badge.
must be placed under the school badge. Maksudnya, name tag kamu hendaklah diletakkan di bawah lencana sekolah kamu. Okay, check your hijab now.
That's di bawah.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, dah. Okay, next. Okay, we are going to talk about your uniform, school uniform. Your school uniform must be loose and not tight. As I mentioned earlier, when you wear a tight cloth, you are not going to move freely. You are not comfortable to move. And at the same time, it will disturb your blood circulation. Okay, next. Uniform top bottom reach below the knees level, meaning that your school uniform must be covered your knees. Baju kamu hendaklah melebihi aras lutut kamu untuk girls. Yang boys tak payah. Okay, next, your hijab must be below the chest area and your hijab must cover your chest area. Why? Because this is part of your aurat. Okay, you are allowed to wear underscarf. It must be plain. This black or white in color and without any form of decoration and motif.
Teacher, may I go to the toilet?
Boleh pakai scarf without any cartoon on it. Just wear a plain scarf. It's black or white color only. Okay, students are required to wear the suitable articles. Let's say if your teacher asks you, okay, Husna, so boleh tak kamu pakai baju raya? Okay, so can you do that or not? Okay, you can do so because your teacher asked you to do it. maybe ada competition ke, so that's why teacher kamu tanya, boleh tak kamu pakai baju raya, ada pertandingan ratu kebaya and whatsoever. Okay, next. Okay, do you remember what I said just now? What I mean by the word hebat.
Fish.
Okay, is it nice or not?
Pakai tudung ni masa.
Nice. So I don't want to see any girls to make a headband just like this.
Oh,
I
hebat
want to see
tu.
it.
Hebat paling teruk sekali.
Okay. Clear?
Tak tahulah nama dengan hebat tu tapi nama macam strawberry
Okay.
lah. Nama macam strawberry.
Ami, please mute your mic. Thank you so much. Okay, move to the next slide.
Strawberry.
Okay, next, your pants must not be too tight. Same with boys. Your pants must be loose or else you are not comfortable to move. Other than that, it must not be railing onto the floor. Okay, sama je macam boys tadi. Okay, next slide. Okay, your socks must be plain, which is black or dark blue, and it must rise beyond the ankle. Must be, meaning that it must cover your ankle. Stokin kamu hendaklah berwarna hitam ataupun biru gelap. Dan ianya mestilah melebihi baras buku lali kamu. Okay, shoes. Your shoes must be made from canvas or any tie are required must be tied neatly at all time. Kalau kasut kamu jenis bertali, sila ikat dengan kemas, dengan cantik, dengan rapi. Okay, next. Your heel must not exceed 3 cm. Okay, untuk girls kamu tak boleh pakai kasut tumit, kasut sekolah yang tumit melebihi 3 cm. Faham? Okay, kamu bukan jalan dekat red carpet, bukan. Kamu pergi sekolah. So, your heels must not exceed 3 cm. Okay, next slide. Okay, this is an example of your sock. Must be plain. One is dark blue and the other one is black color. Is it? Okay, so the only stock that allowed at Al-Amin Tropicana is dark blue and black sock. If you have emergency cases, kalau kamu ada kecemasan kucing kamu termakan stokin kamu dan kamu tak ada stokin, okay, kamu boleh pakai stokin lain and you must tell your homeroom teacher, saya tak dapat pakai stokin dark blue because kamu beritahu dekat teacher kamu. Okay. Clear? Okay, next. Okay, here is the example of the sock that we are not allowed at Al-Amin Tropicana School. We don't want you to wear any sock with Batman, Spider-Man, Superman, the Hulk, the Incredible Hulk, Starfish, and whatsoever. You must wear a plain sock only, which is black or dark blue only. Okay, clear?
Yes.
Okay, slide. Okay, next slide. Okay, girls, look at here. Okay, this is exactly what I mean. Your hijab must be covered your chest area. Other than that, your school badge, your name tag must be put under your school badge and it must be on the left side. Okay. And then your school uniform must cover your knees. And then your pen must be loose. And also your sock must be plain color, which is black or dark blue color. Okay, next slide. Okay, we are going to talk about your school sport attire. Okay, when you wear a school sport attire, your sport shoes must be appropriate And other than that, it must not be too fancy. I don't want any of you wear a shoes with sound. When you step on it, it will sound like quack. I don't want you to wear it. Okay. Other than that, it should cover your aurat. Okay, alternative attire. Let's say, if you still not get your school attire, what you need to wear? Okay. What you need to wear if you don't have any school sport attire is only plain white color t-shirt is allowed, and it must be not tight, tak boleh ketat. No printed motif or decoration, mestilah kosong. Okay, for male student, you must have collar and button up. Okay, other than that, female student, no need for collar t-shirt, but must be a long sleeve with cuff. Kena ada ni cuff ni. And it must below the level. Okay, how about pants? Untuk yang tak ada school sport attire, okay, you can only wear red or dark blue coloured pant, and it must be not tight. Okay, baju ke seluar ke dekat Al-Amin Tropicana mestilah tak ke tight. Okay, next slide. Okay, this is how your school sport attire look like. Okay, for boys, macam ni lah. Okay, for girls, must cover your chest and also your school uniform must cover your knees. Other than that, you must wear a plain sock.
Plain.
Okay. Understood?
Yes.
Thumbs up.
Yes.
Okay, if you understood, show me thumbs up. Okay, thank you so much for your feedback. Next slide. Okay, we are going to talk about your nails. Your nails must be clean and keep short. Check your nails now. Is it clean or other than that?
Yes.
Okay.
Baru je
Good.
potong
Clean
berapa
tapi
No
okay lah.
application of henna is allowed even for female student. Okay. You cannot wear any type of color at your nails. Kamu tak boleh sesuka hati. Mak saudara kamu kahwin and then kamu pun nak sekali inai. Girls or boys are not allowed to do that unless for medical purpose. Let's say kalau doktor cakap, okay, Nora Kalisa, kamu kena pakai henna. Kalau kamu tak pakai, nanti kamu pengsan. So, you need to
Tak ada
wear
wajib.
it. Okay.
Sebenarnya tak boleh juga pakai nai sebab tak ada medical purpose.
Tak ada kepentingan tak payah pakai. Next
Sebab
slide.
doktor tak cakap.
Okay, this is not allowed at our school. Okay. Henna or any type of decoration.
Deadpool.
Deadpool or whatsoever lah.
Gucci.
We are not allow you to put any type of decoration at your nail. Let's say if you put any type of decoration, meaning that you are not ready to come to our school because you follow our rules. Okay. Understood?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, next slide. Okay, let's talk about accessories. No jewelry is allowed at our school. No bangle is allowed. No hand, finger or wrist accessories is allowed. And no makeup or beauty product is allowed to be worn. You are not allowed to wear any type of ring and something like that. Okay. If you lost it, our school not going to responsible for the loss or damage or any issue related to it. Kalau kamu pakai cincin, kamu pakai anting-anting, let's say hilang, sekolah akan bertanggung jawab. Okay, no makeup or beauty product is allowed. We want. Kamu tak dibenarkan memakai lipstick, eyeshadow or any type of makeup dekat muka kamu. Ni bukan nak pergi beraya, kita pergi sekolah. Kalau beraja tak apa nak pakai. Okay, next. Okay, here is some of the accessories that I mentioned before. I mentioned tadi. Okay. Cincin, anting-anting and whatsoever are not allowed at our school. Just keep it at home. Let's say kalau hilang, sekolah tak akan bertanggungjawab. Sebab kita dah beritahu awal. We have remind you, no accessories are allowed at our school. But if you still wear it and you lost it, our school are not going to refund the money. Our school will not responsible for the loss. Understood?
Understood.
Okay, thank you so much. Next slide.
Tak boleh pakai earring tapi saya dah tercucuk dah macam ni.
Okay, that's all for today. I think that's all for today. If you have any question.
Ni last
Okay, I want to add something. Okay, kids, students, please turn off your microphone. Turn off your microphone. Okay, I want to add something. Okay, from what have been presented by Muallim Hisham, okay, about the jewelry. Okay, I heard that some of you already won the already do the tindik and whatever, won the anting-anting. Okay, actually, if you still want to wear it, okay, make sure it is under your hijab. You cannot make it out of your hijab. Okay, you must put it under your hijab. And also, the same rules apply. If that earrings lost, then the school won't be responsible for that. Meaning that it is your responsibility to keep it. Okay. So you have to protect it with your own risk, okay, if you want to bring it. Because some of the earrings, if you already won, then you cannot take it out, right? So you have to make sure it is with you, okay, all of the time, okay? You cannot make it. You have to be responsible if it lost. And make sure it is not get out of your hijab. Okay, understood? Okay? And for boys also, even though we are allowed you to wear watches, okay, like your hand watch, like usual, but if you bring to school the expensive one, so it is your own responsibility. It is your risk. Even though it is cheap also, it is your own responsibility. Okay, you have to make sure they are within your belonging all the time. Okay, if you want to go for wudu, let's say, you have to put it inside your pocket. Okay, do not simply put it here and there. So if it lost, it is your risk. Okay, it is your responsibility. Okay, thank you. That's all.
Okay, thank you so much, Malik Rashid. Okay, I just need 3 questions. If you have any question, I will allow you to ask me 3 questions only. Okay, time is running. Does anybody have question? Hands up.
No.
Okay, no. So meaning that yes, all.
No.
Okay. Okay, now please mute your mic.
Muallim.
Ada
Okay.
Kat bawah, kalau kat bawah socks tu warna putih.
Okay, just I said earlier, you need to wear a plain sock. Plain sock. Maksudnya satu color saja. Tak boleh ada tompok-tompok warna merah, tompok-tompok warna biru, whatsoever. Okay?
tak boleh colorful. Oh.
Okay, next. Okay, semua dah letih. Okay, any question?
No.
Okay, I think that's all for today. Thank you for joining my session.